Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Clipboard History in Windows 11 in a very simple way. What you need to do, if you just go to your Google Chrome browser, or if you're reading any of text's file and if you want to copy them, like I am going to individually copy this one, and then I'm going to copy this one, and then I'm going to copy this one too. And now if I just want to paste them, just simply come over here and going to paste it. But you can see this is looking like last text I copied from here. This is only showing into here, but I need the whole history, that all that text I copied into this PDF from here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to press Windows plus V, and you can see there will be shows up all that file I copied or all the text I copied. There will be all the history over here, and from there I can simply select them, going to click Windows plus V another time and going to select the last one over here. So this is how you can use Windows Clipboard History in Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.